Hello, how are you? こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Today grammar video number 58 and we are going to learn about why I came here. Why do you go there? Oh, and what purpose? The first we're going to see the structure. The place A, purpose に行きます to go or 来ます to come. So we use these particles A and に. If I want to say I go to work, this is the purpose. 行きます to go. Then how can we say this one, the purpose に? Well, here, this purpose, we can use verb or the nouns. In the case of verb, for example, this the must form, and the must form, and we take it off must. What do I mean? 働きます。働きます。This is the verb to work. 働きます。So I take this must away. So this 働き, so without must. 働きに行きます。I go to work. In the case of the noun, then we can use this word, 仕事。仕事 this means the work. So I go to work. 仕事に行きます。Now let's add this place and A. So I want to say I go to China to work. Then here the place, 中国 China. 中国へ働きに行きます。About the same meaning, but I'm gonna use with the noun. So 中国へ to China, 中国へ仕事に to work 行きます。Don't worry, we're going to practice a lot with this structure. A and に. So I want to say the sentence like this. I go to a Japanese pub to take some beer. 居酒屋 This is Japanese pub. 居酒屋へ Here, ビール This is beer. ビールを飲みに Well, 飲みます To drink. So we must take it off. 飲み Only 飲み and particle に飲みに行きます。居酒屋へビールを飲みに行きます。I got a cafe to take some coffee. Then in Japanese, カフェへ or 喫茶店へ。カフェ and 喫茶店 This is coffee shop. カフェへ Then to take some coffee. コーヒーを飲みに行きます。The same. 飲みに行きます。カフェへコーヒーを飲みに行きます。I go to a bakery to buy some bread. パン屋 This is bakery. パン屋へパン bread. パン屋へパンを買いに行きます。買います This is the verb to buy. So 買いに without this mas 買いに行きます。パン屋へパンを買いに行きます。I go to the convenience store to buy some milk. コンビニへ牛乳 milk 牛乳を買いに行きます。コンビニへ牛乳を買いに行きます。遊びます。This verb means to play. To play like children play. Children play in the park. 遊びます。But when I say play, maybe you think, play football, play tennis. In this kind of play, we don't use 遊びます. In this way, only します. So to play is like a children's play, and also to spend some very good time. To spend some time or have a good time, this is 遊びます. I want to go to Disneyland to spend some very good time. ディズニーランドへ遊びに so without must 遊びに行きたいです。行きます to go 行きたいです want to go ディズニーランドへ遊びに行きたいです。Tomorrow, I'm going to my friend's house to spend a good time. 明日 tomorrow 明日友達の家へ or 友達の家へ家 or 家 this is the house, the same meaning, the same 感じ、so, 友達の家へ or 友達の家へ遊びに行きます遊びに行きます to have a good time 遊びに行きます I'm gonna visit my friend's house tomorrow 迎えます迎えます This means I'll come and get you or I'll pick you up 迎えます I will pick you up at the station 駅 This is the station 駅へ迎えに迎え without this must 迎えに行きます駅へ迎えに行きます I'll pick up my friend at the airport 飛行場 or 空港 both are airport そう飛行場へ飛行場へ友達を迎えに行きます飛行場へ友達を迎えに行きます or 空港へ友達を迎えに行きます幼稚園 This word means kindergarten so from in Japan from 3 years old till about 5 or 6 years old this is in kindergarten 幼稚園 I will pick up my children at the school or at the kindergarten 幼稚園へ子供をchildren or child 子供を迎えに行きます幼稚園へ子供を迎えに行きます散歩しますThis is the verb to go for a walk but only 散歩 without します散歩 then this is a noun a walk or scroll I go for a walk every morningで毎朝every morning 散歩 and I use now with like a noun 散歩 only 散歩毎朝散歩に行きます毎朝散歩に行きます now just the same meaning but I'm gonna use like a verb 毎朝散歩しに行きます散歩しに行きます well this 散歩しにwell because the verb this is 散歩します then we must take this away must so 散歩し then I need to put に for the purpose 毎朝散歩しに行きます週末 well, look at these kanjis the second one 待つ it means the end of and 週 it means the week so 週末 the end of the week it means weekend 週末 but instead of 週 if this is 年 the year the last part of the year 年末 I go to a restaurant to eat with my family on weekend 週末 on weekend 週末家族ですfamily そう家族と一緒にレストランへ to the restaurant 食事 this is the noun and it means it's the same as 食べます but in the noun to eat but this is the noun so 食事に行きます週末家族とレストランへ食事に行きます Yesterday I went shopping to the department store 昨日 yesterday 昨日デパートへ to the department store 買い物に行きました買い物に行きました well, 買い物 this is go shopping a little bit different from the 買います it means to buy so for example パンを買います I buy some bread so I need to put something を買います this is the transitive verb but 買い物します we don't need to put any object. For example, 買い物します。It's okay. But for example, パンを買います。So, 買い物 and here this is noun. So, 買い物に行きます。In this case, yesterday. So, 買い物に行きました。昨日デパートへ買い物に行きました。ジム。This is gym. So, I go to the gym like this. Gym. 筋トレ。muscle training. Because 筋 comes from the 筋肉 muscle and トレ it comes from training. Muscle training. So I wanna say I go to the gym to work out twice a week. So twice a week. So this is frequency. 1週間に2回 twice a week. 1週間に2回ジムへ筋トレに This is the noun 筋トレに行きます。I go to travel from tomorrow. So 明日からtomorrow 明日から from tomorrow 旅行 travel trip 旅行に行きます。Now quiz time, and this time 4 questions, only 4. The first 2 is the dictation, so you must write them in hiragana, katakana, and kanji, but at the same time, this gonna be the questions. So please answer these questions. And the last 2, and this is gonna be the translation into Japanese. So let's try. Please prepare your paper and the pencil. 1番目。1年に何回ぐらい映画館へ映画を見に行きますか？ 1 年に何回ぐらい映画館へ映画を見に行きますか？ 1 年に何回ぐらい映画館へ映画を見に行きますか？1年に何回ぐらい映画館へ映画を見に行きますか？ 2 番目。1ヶ月に何回ぐらいスーパーへ買い物に行きますか？ 1 ヶ月に何回ぐらいスーパーへ買い物に行きますか？ 1 ヶ月に何回ぐらいスーパーへ買い物に行きますか？ 1 ヶ月に何回ぐらいスーパーへ買い物に行きますか？ 3 番目。This is gonna be the translations into Japanese. Okay, 3 番目。Yesterday, I went to the famous coffee shop with my friend to eat some cake. Yesterday, I went to a famous coffee shop with my friend to eat some cake. 4 番目。I came to Japan last week to study Japanese. I came to Japan last week to study Japanese. I hope you could understand very well about this kind of grammar. If you liked this video, please give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. Now, please listen to me in Japanese. いかがでしたか？全部できましたか？今日の文法はとても役に立つ文法だと思います。もしこのビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、そしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたら、それは本当にものすごく助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね、バイバイ。